In this video, we will carry on with the poverty programming trap part 4. When you look at different movies out there, true crime, comedy, horror, drama, relationships, political, superhero movies, let's talk a little bit about superhero movies. They have programmed so many people to be broke. It's true, they started programming you when you were a little kid. Let's start with Superman. Superman, you remember? He was an adopted poor orphan. Another planet who has this arch enemy, Lex Luthor, was a multi-millionaire. Subconsciously, every time a story is told, it's being told on two levels. There's the cover story, and there's the part that talks to your heart. It's there you are programmed. Your heart. Spider-Man, another poor orphan raised by his aunt and uncle. Who is his arch enemy? The Green Goblin. The Green Goblin wasn't a multi-millionaire, he was a multi-billionaire. They are always associating wealth with evil. Let's consider Batman. Now, Batman was rich, but he is the only superhero with no superpowers. He had Robin. Now, which one would you rather go with? A cool car just flying or a superpower? Iron Man. Iron Man is rich, but is a narcissistic jerk who takes advantage and walks over everybody. So if they make a superhero that's rich, they always give them an undesirable character trait. The Flash. Flash is my line name as a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. The Flash was rich in the comics. Eobard left him tons of cash so Barry could feel that despite having everything he would wish for in the world. Superpowers, wealth. Without his mother, he'll always feel empty and alone. The Flash, after being struck by lightning, Barry Allen is reborn. With the help of his friends, he fights crime and finds other metahumans like him. Reverse Flash is the nemesis of each speedster Flash. Yep, that sounds like Adrian Mays. Then we have the Black Panther. The enemy made black people feel so disenfranchised that unfortunately far too many of us, just because something's black, we want to go with it. Here's the problem with Black Panther. In the movie, they were teaching ancestor worship. Worship my dead ancestor, for God's the one that made Black Panther. Worship God. Black Panther was rich, cool, smart, he could fight, but they had to throw in the ancestors because the enemy is always trying to trip us up. He'll use whatever method necessary, whatever method possible. Our primary identifying factor should not be our color, and it should not be our gender. It should not be the amount of money that we have. It shouldn't be an association that we are a part of. It should not be our sorority or our fraternity. It should not be our neighborhood. It should not be our country club. Our primary identifying factor of our lives should be the fact that we are redeemed by the blood of the Lamb. If that's not first, you have the wrong thing first in the first place. That wraps up the Poverty Programming Trap Part 4. Don't miss the Poverty Programming Trap Part 5. ChatGPT is the change you need. I can, I will, I must. Let's go!